Hey there, this is a quick 2-minute video on how to quickly use my plugin. So my plugin lets you import ambient CG textures directly and integrate with Func Godot. So the original plugin just downloaded the textures. I fixed it to repair all the crashes, and then I added support so that we, as users, can just click one button or two, well, technically two buttons to download some textures. So we're gonna type in something. um Door. Nah, door is probably a bad example. We'll do metal. And we're going to find a metal texture we like. We're going to use this pipe 2 material. Click 1K PNG. I recommend you just use that and just trust me on that. The rest work. They just take longer to download. So anyway, that sets up the material. I've not done this before with that specific material. So I'll do pipe 002. You can see here there's an ambient CG downloads folder. It downloads the textures to there. And it also has a feature that I've added for overriding the directory where it puts the texture for the actual asset. So it puts a trench broom compatible PNG file there, and then it puts a Godot compatible material file that's already set up for use in the game. This means that essentially we have just added this to Func Godot by clicking two buttons, and the only thing we have to do after we've done this is click export file. So once this completes, I'm going to show you the project settings you need to set to enable it to work directly with Func Godot, which is really straightforward. You're not going to find it hard. If you do, just comment on the video, and I'll explain a bit better. So 2 seconds. We're waiting. This process is slow for Func Godot. I have no idea why. Anyway, we go to the project settings inside Godot and we scroll all the way down. We enable the advanced settings and we go to the Ambient CG plugin. We need to add a download path and a material file directory. If these don't exist, you need to add the material file directory. The path is material underscore file underscore directory, and it begins with / ambient CG. So no, ambient CG /. So you add these, and basically what these do is material file directory tells it, hey, go in Func Godot mode and dump the PNG and the material file in the textures folder for Func Godot. I've made it generic and not called it Func Godot because there's no point. So it's just generic. It's just, hey, put the materials in this folder, keep the downloads. I don't recommend you delete the downloads folder because obviously your textures are in there, but I recommend that you keep the folder because it is a very nice, automated, organized way of handling your things. See this? All these items here are things I can drill into, and I know that it's going to exist inside tiles 074. I know it's going to exist in the textures directory because it was automated when I did it. So it's just straightforward. You can even see this material that I imported earlier. So if I go here and I'll just change this to, excuse me, tiles. I'll just change this to tiles. It looks wrong here because it's not set to repeat correctly, but that doesn't matter for me. We wait a few seconds, we click build, we click unwrap, and we go to the room, and surprise, surprise, we have some nice tiles. So that's how easy the process is. If you want to copy the plugin, it's going to be available on my GitHub page. I will provide the link for it in the chat. I don't really want to open my browser up right now. And that's it. Thank you. Let me know what you think in the comments, and cheers, guys.